Hello. I survived the first night and I'm feeling fine, really. I'm so pleased that I'm not in any pain. I had a couple of paracetamols at 1 o'clock this morning and a couple at 7 p.m. last night. Other than that, whatever they gave me in after the op did the trick, because it was really bad pain initially. Other than that, I'm just bed rest. I've got my stocking on. There's a story about that as well, but I'll save that for another day. And I'm good. Just wanted to check in, and we never know what to expect when we have these things. Everybody's different, but it's not been that bad an experience for me so far. I'm pretty good. I've recovered pretty well. I am not allowed out of bed yet, but they're going to take the catheter out this morning, and the physio's going to come, and we're going to start doing some physio on this leg, so that they want me to do some limited moving. I have to be careful too, because obviously there's a threat there of DVT, blood clots, whatever, because there's restricted movement. Anyway, I'm good. Just wanted to check in. And morning after the procedure, all's good. So if you're worrying about having a similar procedure yourself, then it's not that scary. And if you're in pain, tell somebody and they'll look after you, I'm sure. If you want a cup of tea, if you want a coffee. I had Milo last night. The nurses, everybody's busy. I don't like to bother them, but if they come in to do my signs, my blood pressure and everything, I'll ask them nicely, and I've been looked after. And I'm sure you will too. Bye.